everyone! I hope you're full of beans and ready to play this month's video quiz. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to find the definition of 3 expressions. Feeling confident? Then it's time to play. And your first expression is to be chilled to the bone. With the help of the following video clips, find the meaning of this expression. Not a difficult one, this. So, think you've got it? And the answer is B. If you are chilled to the bone, you are extremely cold. Okay, let's jump straight in with the next expression. To send someone packing. Getting the picture? So, did you get it? And the answer is A. If you send someone packing, you ask them to leave immediately. Door-to-door salespeople, for example. Final expression. To go out like a light. Need a little more time? So, did you get it? And the answer is, of course, B. To go out like a light is another way of saying to go to sleep immediately. Well, that wraps up this episode. But before we go, here's a quick recap. The expressions you heard today were to be chilled to the bone, to send someone packing, and to go out like a light. Bravo! And remember, if anyone says that you don't know your English expressions, you can just send them packing.